Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I'm Alisa Shehzad and I'm back to you with a new topic, decimals as fractions. Okay children, to change decimals into fractions is very easy, but you must have a skill how to change it into fractions. Okay, to change decimals into fractions, we must have first of all a place value chart. You can see that I have made it, and you know that fraction is a part of a whole and decimal is also a part of a whole. So you can see that this is the decimal place, and before decimal there comes ones, tens and hundreds, and after decimal there comes tenth, hundredth and thousandth. Okay, now I give you an example that 0.3. You have to change this decimal into fraction. So we have to put this value into the place value chart. This is the decimal place, and this is 0, this is 3. Okay, now you know that 3 is at the 10th place. So we can write like this: 3 is a numerator and 10th is a denominator. Now I give you another example. 0.7. Now we have to put it again in the place value chart. Decimal here, and there is 0 at the ones place and 7 at the 10th place. So how will you write it into the fraction? 7 is a numerator and 10th is a denominator. So its place is 7 tenth. Now I give you one more example. 0.23. Now you can see that there are two places, decimal places after the decimal. So it is 10th and it is 100th. So let's put it in the place value column. Decimal 0, 2, 3. So 2 is 10th place and 3 is 100th place. So 23, when you write it 0.23 in fraction, 23 will be numerator, and how many places after decimal? 10th, 100. So it will be 2300. Okay, now it is again another example. 0.391. Okay, now you can see that there are three decimal places. So let's put it into the place value chart. It is 0, 3, 10th, 9 is 100th and 1 is 1000. So 391 is our numerator and 391,000. So 1000 is our denominator. So 0.39 can be written as 391,000. So I give you one more example. Here is little different. You can see it is 5.3. Now this number has two parts. One is a whole number part and one is a decimal part or fraction part. So this number, when we change it into the fraction, it will be a mixed number because it has whole number and a fraction part. So let's put it into the place value chart. It is 0.5 and 3. So 5.3 is equal to 5 is a whole number and 3 is a 10th place. 3 is a 10th place. So 3 is a numerator and 10th is a denominator. So it is 5 whole 3 over 10, or you can see 5 whole 3/10 can be written as 5.3. So I give you one more example. It is 12.79. Now you can see that there are two decimal places after decimal and a whole number also. So you can see before decimal is a whole number, we can write like this: 12 whole, then 79. This is 7 is a 10th place and 9 is a 100th place. So 79 is a numerator and 100 is a denominator. So it is 12 whole 79 100th. Okay, we can write it in the place value chart also. It is 2 is 1's place, 1 is 10th place. This is a decimal point, and then 77 is a 10th place and 9 is a 100th place. So it is 12.79 is equal to 12 whole 79 100th. So children, this is the way how we change decimals into fractions through place value chart. So I hope children you have understood today's lesson, and just stay home and stay safe and keep on practicing this work. Take care. Allah Hafiz.